everyone, this is Ritika Sharma, teacher of Hamby International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So kids, today we will be studying the chapter which name is My Amazing Grandmother. So kids, let's start the extract which name is Grandma Climbs a Tree. My grandmother was a genius. You would like to know why. So the author's grandmother was very talented and he wants to say us that you would like to know why she was a genius, why she has a lot of talent, because she could climb the trees, because वो trees को climb कर सकती थी, स्प्रेडिंग और हाई, चाहे जो ट्रीज़ हैं वो कितना ही स्प्रेड हो, कितना ही ज़्यादा घना क्यों ना हो, कितना ही ज़्यादा हाई क्यों ना हो, शी कुड क्लाइंब अ ट्री. शी वुड बी अप देयर ब्रांचेस इन अ ट्राइज, वो बहुत ही जल्दी इन अ ट्राइज शी वुड क्लाइंब देयर ब्रांचेस वेरी क्विकली. एंड माइंड यू, व्हेन लास्ट टाइम शी क्लाइंब्ड अ ट्री शी वाज 62 and the last time when she climbed a tree she was 62 years old. We can't even imagine at the age of 62 we can climb a tree. Ever since childhood she had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. Since childhood she had this gift that she could climb a tree. And now, as years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop when one grew old, and that growing old should be gone about gracefully. And now, years went by, जैसे ही वो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब उनकी old age आती गई, and so people used to say her that she should not climb trees because she is growing old, and it looks not graceful that she is climbing tree in that age. She would laugh and say, so इस बात पर she would laugh and say, and well, I will grow old disgracefully. And she laughed and she said that okay, fine, if you think that for climbing a tree looks like disgraceful, so yeah, it will be, I will grow disgracefully. I can do it better. And we had to agree, and she said that yeah, she could climb tree better than you, for in all the garden there wasn't a tree she hadn't been up before, because there was वहाँ पे ऐसा कोई भी ट्री नहीं बचा था गार्डन में जिसको उन्होंने क्लाइंब नहीं किया था. At one time or another, but it was feared by all that one day she would have a terrible fall. So वो किसी के भी माने से रुकती नहीं थी. वो उन्होंने गार्डन में एक भी ट्री ऐसा नहीं बचा था जिसको क्लाइंब अप नहीं किया था, जिस पे वो चढ़ी नहीं थी. And one day what happened, one day it was a feared, one day what happened, she fell, she have a terrible fall. वो बहुत मतलब वो नीचे गिर गई थी वहाँ से. The outcome was different. While we were in town she climbed a tree and couldn't come down. The outcome was different and the result was different. While we were in town, they were the grandmas and the author's family were in town. She climbed a tree. वो tree पर चढ़ी तो सही and couldn't come down, लेकिन वो नीचे नहीं आ सकी. After the rescue, the doctor took Granny's temperature and said, I will strongly recommended a quiet week in bed. So, when doctor came and checked Granny's temperature, she strongly commanded to the Granny that she should take a rest. She should take a bed rest for a week. We sighed with a relief and tucked her up well, and the Granny's family were totally satisfied and they tucked her up well. और उन्होंने बहुत ध्यान रखा. Poor Granny, for her it was like a season in hell. For Granny it looks like a season in hell. उनको मतलब because she was very active और तो उनको वो चढ़ नहीं पाती थी, वो कहीं घूम फिर नहीं पाती थी. She could not climb a tree even. So उनके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरा टाइम था ये. Confined to her bedroom while every breeze whispered of summer and dancing leaves. उनको उनके रूम में बैठना अच्छा नहीं लगता था, because उनके लिए ये जो समय था बहुत ही अच्छा रहता था. Dancing leaves उनको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद थे. तो it looks like season in hell. But she held her peace till she felt stronger, then sat up and said, and जब वो ठीक हो गई, एकदम perfect हो गई, she held her peace, she keep patience till she felt stronger. जब तक कि वो strong नहीं हो गई, उन्होंने patience बनाए रखा. Then she sat up and said, I will lie here no longer. Then she said to her family that she cannot lie here like this. And she called for my father and told him undaunted that a house in a treetop was what she wanted. And she called her son, or Arthur's father, that she wanted a house, a treetop house, that is all what she wanted. My dad knew his duties. He said that's all right. And the Arthur's dad and his granny's son will agree, and he started the work. You will have what you want, dear. I will start working tonight. So the father said that you will have what you want, and he started work from that night with expert assistance. He soon finished the chore, and he soon finished the work. His work made her a tree house with windows and a door. So Granny moved up, and now every day I climb to her room with the glasses and tray. She sits here in that state and drinks juice with me, upholding her right to reside in a tree. And उनके लिए जो ट्री टॉप पे हाउस बनाया गया, वहाँ पे वो चली गई. सो ग्रैनी मूव्ड ऑन द ट्री टॉप हाउस, एंड नाउ एवरी डे जो ऑथर थे वो उनके लिए जूसेस लेकर आते थे, और साथ में जूस. शी सिट्स देयर इन स्टेट एंड ड्रिंक्स जूस विथ मी. वो वहाँ पे बैठी रहती थी. शी सिट्स लाइक अ क्वीन एंड ड्रिंक्स जूस विथ मी, और वो मेरे साथ जूस पीती थी, अप होल्डिंग हर राइट टू रिसाइड इन अ ट्री. वहाँ पर बैठकर ऑन द tree top. So that was this story of the amazing grandmother. Hope you understood it. Thank you.